As the director of Ryder Manorlands Hospice, I just want to say how grateful we are to Acorn Stairlift for the donation of this fantastic vehicle. It's a wheelchair taxi that will help us to bring people into the hospice to attend our day services. The difference that will make to families is absolutely enormous. The relationship we have with Acorn Stairlifts has been long-standing now, and it's gone over several years, and over those years they've supported us enormously, and we really could not do without their support, and their support has made such a difference to so many people's lives over the past few years, and I'm looking forward to working with them long into the future.